bilang isang babae, hello, sobrang hilig ko talaga sa body care. Like, isa yan sa feeling ko investment ko. Yung kailangan kong pag-investan. So, lalo-lalo na ang body scrub. So, bilang isang babae, and now, mami na, gusto ko mas maging confident pa ako layo in my own skin.
The one and only Maha Salvador.
Dahil sa mga taong nagtitiwala sa akin palagi at paulit-ulit. So,
quick question lang, because you know you're a former actress, a mom, and now an entrepreneur. Yes, okay, sure. So my question for you is, how can you manage this? How are you managing all of this?
ako na yung mga ideas ko, gawin na namin. At eto na nga siya.
That's so lovely. Because when you're with the right environment, you will be able to achieve anything in the world.
Yes.
And now we'll open the floor for a few questions from our media friends. We will start with Ms. Nikki Viola from Lebanon, Manila.
Hello, hi, Nikki. Hi, good morning, congratulations. First, I'm Nikki from WedNManila.com. So my question is, what inspired you to create your body care line? And can you tell us about your journey and how these products reflect your self-care routine?
Okay, bilang isang babae, sobrang hilig ko talaga sa body care. Like, isa yan sa feeling ko investment ko. Yung kailangan kong pag-investan. So, lalo-lalo na ang body scrub. So, bilang isang babae, and now, mami na, gusto ko mas maging confident pa ako layo in my own skin. So, nag-create kami ng product na hindi lang about beauty, but also about self-love and healing care. Kasi etong product namin is was made to feel you good and to bring out your inner glow and para i-embrace nyo yung pagiging majestic nyo. So, akala ko may sasabihin ka, manang. Thank you, Nikki.
Yeah, thank you very much. Second question will be from Mario Chris Valdez from Hataw.
Ihataw mo yan.
Good afternoon po. How instrumental was your relationship and Sway in making Majesty a reality?
Ako na yung kanina ikaw.
Naninibago. I'm serious natin today, Next direct. Alright. Actually po, nung kinuha ko si Maha, 2021, sinabi niya sa akin na gusto niya ng body care. Kaya, pag-face siya. So, ang tagal namin hinintay, it took us 4 to 5 years bago pa siya ikasal. Pero sabi ko nga, para kay Maha po talaga itong araw na ito. So, kami ay hindi lang pag-ina. Siya ay aking adik. Kaya, yung trust ko sa kanya, hindi ako nagdalawang isip. At ngayon, isa na siyang nanay, isa na rin siyang mompreneur. So, kanina ay nag-e-emote kami kasi this is a whole new world for my baby. Wala po, walang anything. Lahat ito ginawa ng Forethinker, headed by Sir Rambo. Sila po lahat gumawa nito. Guess lang ako today. Yes, I'm so proud of my baby girl.
At ibang level ng partnership talaga. Maliban sa ninang namin siya, beyond pa doon yung relationship namin talaga naman. And kaya we are really thankful and grateful for this relationship, for this partnership. And itong bagong journey natin is mas meaningful, mas beautiful because we're doing it with you. Kaya thank you.
That's so lovely. For the third question, we have Sean Castello from Mega.
Hi, Sean.